So, Elizabeth, tell me about this thing that we have here. Actually, first, can I just turn this on?
Yep.
And let's see what it does. So, okay, green light coming out the top, which is kind of awesome. And fog coming out of the inside, which is kind of awesome.
Push down on it.
Oh, push down on it. Okay, so if I take this, and I give it a squeeze. Oh my goodness, that is delightful. It's little fog donuts. This is great.
Too bad you can't eat them.
Oh goodness. I think you probably could try. Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. And if I do it at different speeds?
Yep.
So a tap. Whoa. Well, that's kind of a cool thing. And if I do a, oh, whoa, that was a big donut. And there's kind of a gentle, slow donut. And I can make a slow one and I can like annihilate it. Oh, that's good. That's very, very good. So what do you call this thing?
I am calling it cloud shapes.
Cloud shapes, awesome. And these are clouds with swirly shapes. Now where does a swirly shape come from?
So there's a hole right here in the middle of this tire.
Oh, so this is an inner tube?
Yes.
Oh, this is like a wheelbarrow inner tube?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So it's like a big chubby inner tube. So there's a big space inside.
Which the inner tube actually helps with the rings forming because the different pressures of the inner tube allows you to push harder, softer.
So you can tune, like depending on how much pressure you put in the inner tube, I can make like the rings work differently.
It was a lot of experimenting.
A lot of
experiment.
So that's one of the variables, pressure in the inner tube. So there's an inner tube, and on top of it is a piece of clear plastic.
Yeah.
And then there's a hole inside it. And the hole size is crucial?
The hole size is very crucial.
So
the bigger the hole, the less likely it is to work because you have to push air through the hole. All the air is trapped inside. And when you push the air through the hole, it makes...
Okay, so big volume of air going through a small hole, and then I'm going to get the wonderful little vortex that comes out of here.
Yes.
That maintains its shape and kind of like moves away. Awesome. So the variables you played with was size of the inner tube, size of the hole, pressure in the inner tube.
Yes.
And where does the fog come from?
So this is a humidifier.
Okay.
And we have it at the highest setting to make the most fog, but then we have the fan that's moving it. We have that wrapped with duct tape till there's like a little sliver of the fog going, which we can actually...
Can we take a look?
Yeah.
Cool.
If we take this off.
Okay. So here's the base of the humidifier, and there's a little thing that makes the fog.
Yep. And then this is the little fan. Technically the fan is on the bottom of the humidifier.
Okay.
But it comes out through here, and we wrapped this with duct tape so there's a little bit so you get more fog buildup.
I see.
So then as soon as so it's basically just moving naturally
so
to the tube.
I get the same amount of fog, but I get a lot less air. So as a consequence, I just get denser fog.
Yeah.
So instead of getting this fine mist, I'm getting a dense cloud.
Yep.
And the dense cloud builds up inside the donut. And then I push down on the little inner tube, and all the air comes out, makes that little vortex shape. And the green light?
The green light, so we will have this in a dark room.
Oh.
And because in a light room, it doesn't look as good. So in a dark room, you still can't see it, but if you put a green light and put it at the correct position, it will light the fog ring from underneath, which also is a cool effect on the ceiling. You can see the different fog rings.
Oh my gosh, so you're gonna get shadows of the fog rings on the ceiling. So something's happening here and something's happening up above.
Yeah.
So humidifier, and you kind of like cut off the air outlet. This is an inner tube from a wheelbarrow.
Yep.
Clear plexiglass on top and the hole size. And the things you experimented with were like how much air comes out.
Yeah.
How much pressure is in the tube, size of the tube.
How fast you push down.
How fast you push.
Because if you push down slower, it kind of goes a bigger ring at a slower pace. If you push down really fast, it's a really small ring at a fast pace.
Cool. Yeah, you get a rapid kind of thing going on. Oh, that's cool.
Which also determines how fast it breaks. If you notice, the slow ones kind of break. Sometimes they break higher up, but a lot of times they kind of look like they break further down.
And the little ones go fast and forever. Those are awesome. Those are really awesome.
But then a bigger one.
Oh my gosh, yes.
While it can go fast, it does tend to go a lot slower.
Oh, that's really good. So lots of variables for you to think about as you built it, and then lots of variables for the kids to play with when they're playing with it.
Yep.
Well played, Elizabeth. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.